This home covers an incredible 1.6 acres and features anything one could want for comfort and easy maintenance. Constructed by a very reputable Cumberland Cove builder, emphasis was placed on an open floor plan for square footage maximization and easy living. Home features 3 bedrooms, split bedroom plan, with an oversized master suite and bath, plus an incredible master closet. Kitchen opens into the spacious family room and offers all kitchen appliances with home. 2 covered porches, front and rear. Relax on the back covered porch with Mother Nature at your door, plus all the privacy one could wish for. There is a home security system and a 700 square foot side garage featuring a nice workshop area. This is truly your home for a lifetime to love and enjoy. This offering is complemented by wonderful, caring neighbors in a very active community. Shown by appointment.